We are Lauren and Reece, a couple from the UK who have just finished travelling Asia for 4 months, and now it's time for our biggest adventure yet.
Where we travel from Sydney all the way up to Cairns in a camper van. So if you want to see these two clueless pommies document their life around the East Coast, then be sure to stick around. In the last video you saw us explore Nambucca Heads and then headed to Emerald Beach where we finally saw some kangaroos. But then on our way to our campsite, this happened.
This just feels so ropey. Is this it? Oh, there's no one here.
This.
Yeah, no chance.
So we've just driven about 30 minutes down the most sketchiest roads I've ever seen. I draw the line at places like this. It's not okay. So we're gonna head back, hoping to get to a main road. I think I've got internet, which is good. We're just gonna get back to the main road. We've got a 36-minute drive back to Emerald Beach where we just came from. It's taken us another way. Hopefully it's not as bad. Hey, look at the roads. They're insane.
We're getting nowhere.
It's the most ridiculous speed bumps.
No, nothing. What? Where's the road? Wait, what? Oh my god, there's no road. There's no road.
We were so close to the... We can fix this.
Oh, we can't go back to where we just came.
So yeah, after that eventful night, we then managed to get out of that forest. We made our way to Mooney Bistro, and they actually gave us the Arawara rest stop location. So we've come here, and when we turned up, there was security cameras, there's vans everywhere. It was just quite reassuring. So we parked up here for the night, had a really good night's sleep, and we're ready for a new day. But it was so stressful. But yeah, anyway. Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road.
We're gonna go and get the van cleaned, especially the outside, because from them roads yesterday, it's just not a nice van to be in at the moment. So we're definitely gonna get this cleaned today, figure out where we can go.
Oh, I'm running out of face sun cream.
And Lauren is running out of sun cream specifically for her face.
50 factor.
So today is a job day. As much as we're going to go to the beach now and just have some breakfast, we're also on the mission to do a bunch of jobs. So, fun vlog. Just going to give everything a big old shake, I think. That is from wiping the floor from all the dust last night.
God, look at you.
That's not good, is it?
No.
Where have you been?
I went to the toilet.
Yeah, there we go. You little part-timer.
Well, I'm getting better going for the number 2s in public.
Oh, you went for a poo? Yeah, little pooey Lauren.
Squeaky clean.
Squeaky clean. Bed made, cushions done, everything just nice and tucked in. Just got to quickly wipe down the kitchen and then we'll be on the road. Also, just to quickly fill in, we've just had some breakfast and we're at the, what beach are we at?
Emerald Beach.
We're at Emerald Beach again that we were at last night where we saw the kangaroos. The weather's not that great, but yeah, we just thought we'd stop here, have some breakfast to chill out. Now I'm going to clean the van.
How much is it going to cost?
I don't know. I'm just going to go with $8 for now. Now what do we do?
Oh God.
That was intense. Okay. Oh, we've got 14 minutes.
You're a waterfall, I'm a fire. No surprise we don't go together. But it took us a while before we figured it out.
I had to pay $5 for that last little jet wash. That last tiny little bit. I ran out of time.
No.
I ran out of time.
We're nearly on empty. How long have we got left?
10 minutes to the petrol station. We've had to basically go back on ourselves to then turn back round. Fortunately, we've got a campsite ready. We sorted that as you saw earlier. So how much is one night for a powered? $40. Perfect. Can I? Yeah, perfect. Can I book that, please?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, $40 for one night at a powered site. It's no Nambucca Heads, but we've got the Yamba Woods.
It's got a shower, right?
Yeah.
It's the first time we're filling this vanner from Fresh. We had to drive to this
Look what it's just
campsite.
stopped on. Look what it's just stopped on.
What? $99.99.
I'm not putting it up to 100, it's full.
I see you walking in with 2 Red Bulls. I was going to say, have we got any money left?
So much money!
Right, you're going to go into the office.
Yeah, gonna go get all checked in, and then yeah, see where we're gonna set up for the night.
Sounds good.
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling, every living thing. Be to me a mother, both hands on the wheel. Show me faded color, fields of chamomile. All at once in a dream, we are together.
Why is it, right? We're leaving and you have to unpack. Oh, you've actually already, by the time I've set the camera up, you've already tried getting it and hiding it away.
What?
Exactly. Gets all of her clothes out. She's just got to put a bikini on. It's not difficult, is it? Lauren's going to fill the van up with water, isn't you, babe?
Apparently so. Come on. Water. I think it's this one. What, do I just feed it down the hole?
Yeah.
Just a little bit or a lot?
Just a little bit. Quick.
Oh. Hey, turn it off. I've got to turn it off. Maybe you can learn. Oh, get on the shoulder.
It's not on the shoulder. Here?
Yeah. It's the same. Yeah.
Right, we have made it to Yamba. We're exploring Yamba today, and we have started it off by coming to Yamba's apparent #1 beach, which is Pippi Beach. So we're gonna have a wander down, see what it's like.
And a lot of camper vans as we were driving through the car park. People are in their little campers, got their beds in the back.
Yeah.
Friends.
Lovely. Lots of camper friends, but yeah, we're gonna go and explore now, aren't
But
we?
first, I'm going to make a flask of tea to take to the beach because
Of course she is.
home comforts and
Yeah.
all that.
English.
Well, and we save us money.
English.
I love a cup of tea on the beach.
Let's go explore.
Is the gas on? Did you do your job?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
The
What
one job that you had.
are you gonna do about it?
Can't I just die here on the beach with my fingers in the sand and the water at my feet? Can I just get some release here? Everybody falls off the tippy of they tall talk, don't come and talk to me. I ain't trying to see fear reflections in my rear view, deflectors in my purview, coming after me. Got some issues with my worldview, I ain't not the
Ready to go for a wander?
I don't want to wander. I'm going to sit here and eat my body weight in biscuits.
These mans really think they worth can be summed up in a measure, singing, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. I get it, you gotta hold your up to a measure. Did that, been there, done now. Out and on the run now, but just can't get away. Driving in the dead night, kinda how I sounds by headlight, cranking up the Mac to Marco.
We're now at the Yamba main beach where you've got the ocean pool, but before that, me and Lauren are absolutely Hank Marvin. So we're going to go to the sandbar to grab some food, and then we're going to look at this beach as well.
Problem to clean up my act ASAP, but the water looking rocky. That last round cheesy, but you cheesing while I'm talking. As long as you be smiling, I'll be fine with all my awkward, yeah. You if you isn't, I got this view here by the ocean.
The selection here, I got the sambar burger, which looks insane. Lauren went all in and decided to get the Yamba prawns and some halloumi fries, and hers looks ridiculous. Mine, on the other hand, has a beautiful slab of brie in it. It looks insane.
Or you could be free.
wrote this in the kitchen of my mom's new house. This is me in best edition, but there's better coming out. I came out when I was 18 and my mom kicked me out. Now I'm sitting in the kitchen in a brand new house. Man, it's funny how it all panned out. Almost like
We're here. We've arrived at the Reflections Holiday Park at Lennox Head.
And it's costing around I think it's $62 for the night, so not too bad. We've just popped on some laundry, which has come to $12 for 2 loads.
But we've just
Didn't have
parked
any.
up in a nice little shaded spot, which is lovely. Just had a turkey come round the back of the van, which was great.
As you do.
We're just going to chill now. We're going to have a bit of a rest. I'm knackered from just constant driving recently. But yeah, I think we're going to end the vlog here.
I did drive the van though for a second, so maybe I can drive
Lauren
next
pulled
time.
it forward 4 feet and she had the handbrake on whilst doing it.
Yeah, but now I feel confident to drive.
Oh, but anyway, in the next video, we're going to be leaving here and exploring Killam Falls. We're going to be Macadamia Castle, and then we're going to be heading up to Byron Bay, where we will be for a few days.
Yeah.
Lots to look forward to, but that does bring an end to this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and
We'll see you in the next video.